Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Super stoked to be back in the garage. I just got this little feel of motivation going on here. There is a bee or a fly. Yeah, so I just got this little rush of motivation because I just got invited to Elite Tuner by R1 Concepts. R1 Concepts is actually one of the main sponsors for that show. So they actually invited us to come out to Irwindale, and when I say us, I mean me and Miguel. Me and Miguel are officially R1 Concept influencers from my video that I had showed you guys before. But this is something completely different. This is like a cheap DIY video for you guys that don't want to spend a lot of money on this, because we all know as the plastic pieces on the actual trimming of the outside of our cars usually go bad. My car is like 15 years old, so I don't expect it to be in perfect condition, but I'm gonna try and restore it as much as I can today, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how I plan to do that. As you can see, I have all this black trimming alongside my car. If I zoom in, you can easily see all the cracks on here, but this side, it is completely gone. I have started to use a blade and just cut it off alongside up here as well, all the way down to it, and it's actually very noticeable. When you look at the side of the car, you could just see something shiny, and it's not my favorite thing to look at. All along here you could see it's missing, and all along here as well. I'm planning on painting it with this satin paint and primer in one. I literally just went to Home Depot and picked this up, so it's nothing super fancy, but I basically want to see how it looks because I know it'll make a big difference on the car from just the photos alone. Usually when I do photo shoots, it's actually very noticeable when you see all this silver trimming, especially when the light's hitting it. It's super reflective, so I kind of just want to make it look a little bit nicer, you know? It's in the details, I guess. So I'll show you guys exactly what I plan on doing, mocking it up and then painting it. Okay, so this is everything that I plan on using today. Obviously you're gonna want to clean it off, so use some sort of like, you know, nice clean detailer that's not oily, or else the paint won't stick. Just make sure you use like just soap and water, whatever, clean it off real good. And then I'm gonna go over with a blade and basically just cut off as much as I can. This blade is really an old blade, so I'm gonna replace it with a new one. And then I have some sandpaper just to get it like a little bit, you know, gritty, so the paint kind of sticks. It does have a primer on it as well in the paint, but you know, just to make sure. And then of course the protector, so you don't spray your windows or your body of your car, and then just some regular tape to hold it down. So yeah, I'll show you guys exactly how I plan on mocking it up and then spraying it down.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars, but the dark gets lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence, and the dark's all that I see when your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes.
So I know it's kind of dark, but I basically sprayed everything down. I taped it up and everything, so hopefully I did it correctly and nothing got on my car, because I will literally be so livid if I did. It looks pretty good. I'm just gonna let it sit and then come back to it tomorrow and then pull everything off and then basically see how it goes, and I'll get a video of how it looks after, basically. Hey guys, good morning. So we are back, and I am basically gonna uncover what it looks like, and then I also just decided that it would probably be a good idea to paint the front lip as well, because as you can see, there's like, it's kind of hard to tell honestly. There's a lot of overspray when I sprayed my bumper on the actual lip itself, and it was never painted. Okay, honestly, it came out really good. Like, if you look up very closely, you can see like obviously the imperfections, but it looks really good. The color is like perfect. It's like a satin, it's not too bright. It matches with like everything when it comes to like the glossiness. It's not too glossy, so I picked like the perfect the perfect mixture. Obviously this one's more faded and cracking, so that one I might have to tear off later, but I just left it for now. But it looks good. Looks really good.
Always be my nice guy. You'll always be my nice guy. You'll always be my nice guy.
So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. If this helped you guys out, like, comment, subscribe. I have a lot more videos that could be useful for you in the future, but so far everything looks really, really clean. I missed like one little tiny spot because I accidentally put tape there, but other than that, it came out flawless. I couldn't be happier with the results, honestly. So this is definitely a cheap DIY alternative if you guys don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on the actual trimming. So yeah, so this is for all my Evo lovers out there. Bye guys.